Hi everyone, so this is my first vlog. So for today's video, come and join me on buying the NCT Dream concert ticket. May 4, 2024, I chat my dad and asked for his permission if I can go to NCT Dream's concert. May 9, 2024, me and my mom have gone to SM Mall to check if the ticket is on sale. That's my mom. We ate first while waiting and take some pictures, but then we ended up going home because the ticket is not on their website yet. May 11, we go back to the mall again and we ate as usual. And taran, I got the ticket. I don't know how to explain what I'm feeling, but I'm so excited. And it felt like a dream, then I cried.
Oh, bye-bye.
Thank you, Daddy. I love you.
Love you. Love you. Bye-bye.
Yay! Ba't ka umiiyak? Ba't ka umiiyak? Happy siya. Nakuha niya na yung ticket niya. Umiiyak siya.
Makikita ko na yung ano. Love of my life.
Dalawang beses pa bumalik eh. Ngayon okay na. Yay! Umiiyak siya. Oh, magtatatalong ka na.
Yay! Nakuha ko!
Happy siya. Nakuha niya na yung ticket niya. Umiiyak siya.
Makikita ko na yung ano. Love of my life.
Dalawang beses pa bumalik eh. Ngayon okay na. Yay! Umiiyak siya. Oh, magtatatalong ka na.
Yay! Nakuha ko!
Umiiyak siya. Oo. Sabi sa'yo, makukuha mo yung ticket eh. Huwag ka na umiyak. Ano ka ba? Huwag na tayo pumunta doon. Nakabili na? Oo. Nakabili na siya.
Kala ko wala eh, kaya umiyak siya.
Ayun na, patingin nga. Patingin ang ticket mo.